So I'm really excited about this project. I picked this little bunny up at the Hobby Lobby for $1.99 and I got it for 40% off. It has a little clip on the back. I picked up this toy drum at Target Dollar Spot for $3 and I knew I wanted to make something with that as the base. And I picked up some floral at, I believe, Michael's for 40% off. I'm using chalk paint in sheepskin and a pearl Martha Stewart paint in purple. So I knew I didn't want that pearl. I wanted a more lavender and chalky look, so I'm just mixing the two together. And this really took away the pearl of the paint and made it flat. So I just mix it around and then I'm going to just paint the drum. I'm not painting the white, I'm just painting the blue. And this is actually wood, so it works out nice to be able to hot glue onto it. So I did something with plastic and my hot glue gun temp was really high and it ended up melting it. So this worked out great to hot glue it. So just taking, after I painted it, I did 2 or 3 coats of the paint on there because the blue was really dark, so it needed like 3 coats of paint. So I'm just taking my little florals that I took apart. I just pulled them right off the stems. I'm hot gluing the stem and then just sticking it on the wood part of the drum. The drum wasn't that big, but it's still, the flowers are small, so it was a lot of space to cover. And I wanted it to look really full and lush. So I did use a lot of the floral. So once I got it all filled out and as lush as I wanted it, I grabbed the bunny and I took off the little clothespin that was attached to it. It was a little rough, so I took some sandpaper and just sanded it down. So then I added a generous amount of hot glue to the back of the bunny. The bunny is wood, so I wanted to make sure that it's, it stayed in place. So I put a lot of hot glue on it. And then I just placed it in the center of the drum. I gave it a good press and there it is. Love it, looks adorable, but I wanted to add a little something, so I decided to make a bow. This is ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and I just folded it on each other, and then in the center, I grabbed a piece of twine, and I tightened it in the center and made a double knot. In the end, I did not use this bow. The bow I used was just, I took a piece of the ribbon, I tied it in a knot, and that was that. I just used that bow. I think the tails on here were covering too much. They were kind of in the way. So the way I did the other bow, I just tied the ribbon in a knot and the tails were out more. So you'll see that in the end. But this is a cute bow and I will use it, again. So this is the finished project and I think it came out adorable and I can't wait to add it to my Easter decor. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and I will see you next time for more DIYs. Bye-bye.